What's up, YouTube Nation? Backed by popular demand, the Lexus es350. We're pushing 9 o'clock here, so it's officially nighttime. But my aunt was here. I thought we'd do a little update. Ooh, she's got the car cleaned up a little bit. Do a little update. See what's shaking with this thing. Very cold start. Been sitting here a week. Shoot, yeah, man. This thing always runs like butter. Runs like new. Runs like new. She got a new tire to match the let's see how many miles we're riding on now. Ooh, heck. Blowing horns. We have 174,975. So we're almost at 175K. I can't believe it. This has been just a tremendous car. She got the oil change, so I've got to reset the light. I told her I'd do that for her while I was out. And she got, a while back, she had bought one new tire for the front. And I told her, I scolded her, I said, don't ever just buy one new tire, you know? At least buy two, because you want to get them in the, I'm trying. Jeez. You want to try and keep, two in the rotation and in the cycle. I understand, you may not want to buy four, and we'll just won't get two at a time, but just don't ever buy one, because then there's always that oddball tire that's not quite in the proper wear rotation mix. But I told her I would try and reset her tire light and her oil maintenance light, because she went and got her serviced. But yeah, we're just 25 miles away from the big 175. Let's roll down the window. Ooh, that BMW sounds nice. I mean, that was 60 like nothing. It is hot out in Georgia, man. And this car has good AC, buddy. Good AC. If I could find one of these for $2,600. Oh. Now, my aunt was talking to me about cars. She was like, I'm thinking I might want to sell my car. I just don't know. I'm like, okay, you don't want, Kathy, you won't sell that car. That's such a good car. I mean, you paid cash for it. It's got, it's a 2010. It's just got so much life. I mean, hundreds of thousands of miles. And, but her ex-husband and the father of her children is in, he's dying. And he's in hospice care. He's an alcoholic, and his body is shutting down. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. He has a home over in South Carolina, and a 2013 Ford F-150 XLT, regular cab, short bed, four-wheel drive, my favorite kind of truck. It has no miles on it because he's been retired for years. And the truck's actually been sitting there not being used for almost a year. But the payoff on it's like $7,000. And it's just sitting there not being used. And his, Social Security is paying for it. And I told her, I said, go get that stupid truck. Go get that truck and pay for it. Pay it off. And make it yours. And then if you decide you don't want it or whatever, we'll sell it for $16,000 easy. I mean, a 13 F-150 with low miles. She thought it was still in the 30-something thousand mile range, which is incredibly low for a 13. I was like, that truck would bring a fortune at the auction. So go get that damn thing, buy it. He's never going to drive again, and get it home and, you know, keep your Lexus. And then you'll have two cars. And you don't have to use your Lexus as a truck hauling stuff all the time. But, anyway. Boy, that's a good looking S550 right there. Nice. Well, everything's doing good here. Still very smooth and quiet. Not a vibration to be had. Buttery smooth. I got a couple of subscribers that have these, and y'all know what I'm talking about. There's just nothing better. Nothing better. I love my cheap E550 because it's fast, but it can't hold a candle to this car as far as ride, smoothness, and two, you get in this car and you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry if you're going to make it to your next stop. This car is dead ass reliable, and that says a lot. I would drive this car to Alaska right now. Right now. I would need to do some work on my E550 before I could do that. AC sitting on 70 degrees, blowing on me, nice and cool. Yeah, feels more like 75,000 miles than 175. Most definitely. Most definitely. And my aunt, she drives this thing back and forth to Florida, down to Cape Canaveral often, not just every now and then, but she goes several times a year. Well, guys, hope y'all have a good evening. Enjoy your weekend. I'm sure it's going to be 1,000 degrees here in Georgia, standing at the threshold of hell. I will try and do some video of me changing the motor mounts on the E550 tomorrow. You know, it's going to be hot. I'm going to be shaky as hell. I'm going to be angry. So, I'll give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. Always appreciate the comments. I love responding and interacting with everyone. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace.